Bruges, located in Belgium, is a picturesque city known for its historical charm and stunning scenery. The city of Bruges, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is famous for its complex canal system that runs through the city, giving it a unique appearance. One unique way to enjoy the beauty of Bruges is through aerial views captured by drone. These images provide a bird's-eye view of the city, helping tourists appreciate its stunning landscapes and architectural landmarks with a whole new perspective. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Bruges attracts tourists from all over the world who come to explore its well-preserved medieval architecture and rich cultural heritage. The city's cobbled streets, lined with quaint buildings and charming squares, create a romantic atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. For those planning to visit Bruges or looking for travel inspiration, the drone footage offers a breathtaking glimpse of what's to come. This allows potential travelers to explore the various attractions of the city and experience its beauty before planning their trip.